G'day everyone. So, I don't know if you're a subscriber, you may have seen my little short update I did. Well, it was earlier today, but probably be a different day for you guys. One of my kids had a big power chuck in the car this morning, so it's mostly all end up on the backrest of my Outlander. So I'm going to try and, it's got some zips down the side here, so I'm going to see if this comes off easily enough for cleaning so we can just throw it in the washing machine. So first thing, we'll get that headrest off because, well, even that may copped a bit of it. Oh, I'm glad you guys can't smell this in here. It's horrible. But we've got these couple of zips either side. Hang on a sec. Yeah, a bit of backlight on so you can see. So we've just got these two zippers either side. I'm going to undo those and see what I need to get this backrest off. And before we get too much further, with those zippers undone, you can see this bit here is secured underneath the seat. Alright, so I've got this side off. You can see they're just these little clips here, so it's just a matter of getting in there, finding where it is, push it forward, and that bit should come off. Now we've got more down here. That feels like it's just a like a hook. So the front comes around under there and hooks in. This is kind of hard, like I said there, so I'll try and get that off. Alright, that doesn't seem to pull apart, so but they do slide, so I don't know whether that will slide enough, but there you go, undoes like that. Alright, so from the back as well, I've got a couple of these, so I just pull them forward and unclip them from the backrest. Again, one-handed, it's impossible to do. So these hold, they hold these sections here in place on the backrest. So we'll just clip those and then this can come forward. Now obviously before it goes in the washing machine, this wire here, we'll need to remove that. So this can just slide out here and you can remove these individual straps pretty easily. Like I said, just that wire just comes straight out, no problem. Now when I pulled all this out, I did record this, but I've somehow lost the footage. Now these little holes here, you got basically a plastic strip sits in this little channel here. I've just put these little ring clips in, like these in here. They just go behind that little bit of wire and basically holds these in place through there. So I'll get that in and I'll show you the result. So you can see that's just held in with those clips there. So obviously when you pull these out, you're going to have to cut them with some side cutters. Now these are just kind of hard to do with two hands, but they're just basically a little clip like this. Oh, I'm trying to hold the camera and do this in one hit. And so yeah, they just crush around, something like that, around the wire when they're doing it right. So it just holds it in like that. So that's what all they're doing. So with those in place, we'll just get these straps back through each of the holes on either side, pull them through and hook them back onto the back springs. Alright, so these straps, we just need to pull them through from the other side. That one of course has gone walkabout and I can't find it. So here's some this side, I'll just pull them through and hook them on. There you go, kind of like that. I guess that was like how it was before. So I'll sort this other side out and then we just got to pull all the rest of this down and just smooth it all out on the foam. Bring that bottom piece through, hook that top strap up, whatever you want to call it, and hook those on at the bottom, do the zippers down. Easy. And there we have it. Seat cover all back on, all nice and smooth. And I think you'll agree that is a lot cleaner now than what it was before, so heaps easier than trying to clean it while it's actually on the vehicle. Now, I don't know about the bottom side of the seat, if you wanted to pull that off to give it a clean, but you know, I just needed this top half, so if you do get it pretty filthy, these are actually quite easy to remove. The only thing you really need is just those little clips. To be honest, I had those for some leftovers for some fencing, so they're just like a netting clip. Real easy to get at Bunnings or any other hardware store. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you later.